Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a lovely sweet payasam. I'm going to show you how to make Moong Dal Payasam. Now actually I can't wait to dig into this and if you do like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the recipe with your family and friends. Shall we start making the payasam now? For the Moong Dal Payasam, I've taken 1 cup of Moong Dal, wash it and then I'm going to pressure cook it with a little water. Take a little water in a pressure cooker and add the washed and cleaned Moong Dal. Pressure cook it for about 4 whistles on medium flame. The dal is cooked beautifully. The next step is to melt the jaggery. For this, take a little water in a saucepan. I'm adding 250 grams of jaggery. Melt the jaggery completely and keep it aside. So now I'm going to mix the dal and the melted jaggery. Strain the melted jaggery into the dal. Next, I'm going to add about half teaspoon of cardamom powder. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove and keep this aside. Now, I'm going to just roast a few cashew nuts and raisins. Take 1 large teaspoon of ghee. Next, add a handful of raisins. Once the raisins plump up, remove them. Next, add the chopped coconut bits. Now this is optional. If you don't want to add coconut, you can just roast the cashew nuts and raisins. So I'm pouring half cup of thick coconut milk. Now this is optional. Adding coconut milk enhances the flavor of the payasam. If you've decided to use coconut milk, make sure you let the payasam sit for about 10 minutes after you take off the stove and then you pour the coconut milk. After adding the coconut milk, add the roasted coconut bits and the roasted cashews and raisins. The payasam is done. It's ready to be served. You can serve it hot right away or you can serve it at room temperature. And if you prefer it nice and chilled, you can do that as well. So there you go. Here is this very tasty and delicious Moong Dal Payasam. You can have it either warm or at room temperature or cold. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.